Hi, I'm Mr. Sand, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Displacing Chemistry iLab that I'm having you do. So it might seem really confusing at first, but all you're going to be doing is first you're going to be watching a video of me doing an experiment. You're going to look at that video, you're going to say, okay, maybe if I change this thing in this experiment, the results will be different. So what you're finding is a variable that you'd like to test yourself. You think that it would be interesting to see a result, or at least you think maybe by changing it, it'll get a different result. So maybe it's the type of water, maybe it's the amount of water, maybe it's the baking soda, maybe it's the amount of baking soda, maybe it's the length of tubing, although I can't really change that. Maybe it's a different substance that's displacing. I don't know. Whatever it is, just think of a variable you'd like to test. Then, after you decide upon a variable you'd like to test, then after that you can write a little procedure, which I'm calling a journal, to test this variable. Now take a look in the formal lab report to see what this procedure is, what this journal is. So be descriptive, be very accurate when you're describing what you'd like me to test. Then I want you to share that with me, and what I'll do is I'll act as your hands. I'll be acting out, I'll be testing it for you, because you can't be here doing it in person. So I'll record that, I'll put that video up for you to look at. And then you'll record the data from that video, and you'll make it into a data table and a graph, and you've got to show your uncertainty as well, since we've been talking about uncertainty. So after you get done with that, then you present your data to the class on the class discussion page. So you look at your data, you present it to someone else and saying, I'm very confident in the results, this is what happened, these are the results I got. You might even want to interpolate or extrapolate some information there. So you might want to see, okay, there's a trend happening. So if I increase the amount of this liquid so much, then I can predict what the final result's going to be. So you're going to be then presenting that, posting it on the class discussion page. I'll put a class discussion page up for you guys to do that. I think the best way of doing that is maybe just shooting a small, short video, less than 5 minutes. If you want to do any longer than that, I don't even know if Canvas will let you do that. So you might need to have like a YouTube post and then just put the link to the post in the class discussion page. Then you're going to be watching each other present on this data. And after that, only after that, will you then write your formal lab report. Because you're going to need to see other people's discussion or other people's presentation of their data in order to inform you on your lab report. Because you're going to be thinking about how others did their lab report, and you're going to be reflecting upon your own procedure. All the presentation guidelines, when you're making a presentation, those are all written down in that little document I gave you. And the formal lab report guidelines are down there too, and how I'll be grading you. So let me know if you have any questions. I thought this video would be helpful in just telling you what's going on here. So good luck, and let me know if you have any problems. All right, bye.